Hello my YouTube friend, this is Now Mechanic here, and today I'm working on a 2010 Kia Soul, and what I'm going to be doing today, I am going to be replacing the spark plugs. And what you're going to need for this job is, you're going to need your spark plugs, and I will be using the NGK Laser Uranium Premium. These are supposed to be the original ones, and in case you don't know, the part number is right there. Each spark plug costs about $13 to $14 a piece. Yes, you're also going to need some anti-seize. You're going to need a spark plug socket. This one is a 5/8. Let me see. Yep, this is the 5/8 one. This one is the magnetic one. Also, I'm going to be using a long extension and a 3/8 ratchet. So the first thing we're going to do is start removing the spark plug wires. And these sometimes can be very, very hard to take out. So you got to pull with force. And you have 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's remove one. The way I'm going to do, I'm going to remove one, replace the spark plug. Remove 2, replace the spark plug. For I won't lose where these wires go at, because sometimes I get confused and put the wires somewhere else. So we're going to be removing it. So you wouldn't want to grab it through the wire here, because if you grab it through the wire, you're going to break it. So you want to grab it somewhere over here and then pull. Put it in the side. And I'm going to remove that one first. So you're going to put your spark plug socket in straight. And then you just want to start removing it. And this is the reason why I like this spark plug socket. And you see how dirty these things are? So yep, that's the original uranium. So we will take, we're going to take our first spark plug. And we're just going to throw a little bit, not much, a little bit anti-seize in there. We'll put the spark plug in the socket. And then you're going to go in slowly. You don't want to throw them in there. Go in slowly. Now that you feel it, that it's tight, you're going to use your ratchet. You're going to put your ratchet in, and you're going to start screwing them in. Once you feel it tight, then you just want to go just a little bit. So now what I'm going to do is, you can also mark the spark plugs 1, 2, 3, 4 with a pen, but I don't have it now. So I'm going to just put this in there for now. Then I'm just going to grab the other one, the one right next to it, and I'm going to also pull it. You want to inspect all these. These wires look good. And you're going to do the same thing. Make sure you put it straight. There you go. And then keep your hand steady, and then start removing them. There you go. It looked pretty good. So you're going to do the same thing what you did. So you're going to grab another one. Put a little bit of anti-seize on it. Not too much. So you're going to grab the socket again, put it in there. And then put it straight. Once you feel it tight, just put your ratchet and just try to keep it straight as possible, and just keep screwing it in, tying it up, and then when you feel it tight, then you just go just a little bit. So now I'm going to remove these and I'll be right back. Let me show you this right here in case you also bump into this problem. If you're trying to take this spark plug wire out of here, the last one, right? You can take it out, but it's going to give you some problem to put it back in. So all you're going to do is follow the wire. It's the smallest one, and it's going to go right in here. And all you're going to do is disconnect it from there. All you got to do is pull it up. When you disconnect it. Now when you put it back in, you're going to put this in right with the hole that you took it out from. So now it's much easier to take the spark plug out, the spark plug wire out, and take the spark plug, remove the spark plug. So I'm going to remove this one and I'll be right back. Let's do our last one. Okay. Now we're gonna put the wire in. Make sure you push it all the way down. Hit it, click. Okay, you're gonna put this, like I said, in this hole that you took it out from. Make sure it goes in. And then push it all the way down. You're gonna take your nest. Spark plug wire, same thing, push it in all the way down. Push this one down, and push this one down. Now, you can't see it, but there's some arrows in there. You got arrows pointing that way, letting you know that your wire should go that way. Another arrow over here that you should go this way. Another arrow that is pointing this way, and this one is pointing that way. So you got arrows. It's actually guiding you which way to put the wires. So now you want to inspect everything, make sure everything is clean. And if you have a cover, you put your cover. This one doesn't have a cover, and you have replaced your spark plugs on your 2010 Kia Soul. So once again, this is Non Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Now Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.